Do y'all charge by the hour? Yes, sir. You charge by the day? Well, see, the problem with that is I can't have a prostitute for more than one day. I've got a problem?
Yeah, you got a problem. Ain't nothing I can do about that.
You can't make any exceptions for my prostitute and I? Hey! Hey!
Thank you for calling Papa John's. This is Barbara.
Yeah, I would like a large one-topping pizza.
For pickup or delivery?
Delivery.
What's your phone number?
Star 67. Couldn't do that.
Thank you for calling. If you have a touch-tone phone, you may enter the extension of the person you'd like to reach. For a personnel directory, press 9. If you need assistance, press 0 or remain on the line. You are being transferred to the operator.
Is this your mom?
Calling Ramona Limited, please. Can I help?
Is this Ramona Limited?
Yes, I can help you.
Does limited mean that you can charge by the hour?
No, it does not.
Well, that sucks. You got a prostitute and I need somewhere to take her.
Marsh.
What? Marsh?
Hello?
Yeah, can you charge by the hour?
Pardon?
Can you charge by the hour?
No.
Why not?
Run 49 and up. First come, first serve.
First come, first serve. Well,
Right.
can I get a happy ending? Well, can I get a happy ending?
Pardon?
Pardon me?
Papa John's after hours.
Yeah, I would like one large topping pizza.
We're closer.
Damn it! I bet he's laughing his ass. Let's find another one. Alright, today we're on our pit bikes and we got the DJ over here. This is my little pit bike. Piece of shit. No, I'm just playing. KX60 all monstered out. Monster. Yeah. I've never done this before, but I have a feeling it's going to be a bumpy ass ride. Neighbor doesn't like us riding dirt bikes down the road, but I mean, if we're gonna go ride, we're gonna go right over here, and if we're gonna go back up the road, we're not sure as hell ain't pushing them up that huge hill. Mine's a 125 and his is a KX60, but his dirt bike is, he passed it. Or something, I don't know what he's doing. And I just popped the wheelie a little bit. I guess he just racked himself. This is like the construction side or whatever that we come to. Scoop around on pit bike. Yeah, it's pretty fun. There's like, this thing's like a straight wall right here. I honestly don't know how he climbs it. There's that one. Yeah! Oh, that was funny. He almost went over the handlebars. Bigger. Jump it.